Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming a single specific goal. Be concrete about the output type and audience. Next, supply 3-5 short examples that show the style and structure you want. This teaches Gemini the pattern. Also, declare any hard constraints, format, token limits, forbidden topics, or a temperature setting so the model doesn't improvise incorrectly. Once done, make sure examples vary slightly. That prevents overfitting. If you want iterative refinement, label each example with intended changes. You now assemble the core prompt. Start with a role instruction, then list the task and the stepwise actions you expect. Explain success criteria clearly, what counts as a correct answer and why. Provide context lines with facts or dataset snippets so Gemini has grounding, and mark sources if accuracy matters. Add control signals, delimiters for inputs, placeholders for variables, and a stop token to prevent rambling. Make sure to test one sample. Observe where the model adds irrelevant text, and tighten constraints. You finish by running focus tests. Generate 3 samples and compare them against your success criteria. If outputs drift, reduce temperature or shorten the prompt. If they underfit, add targeted examples or expand context. Iterate 2 to 5 times, each time changing only one variable to identify impact. For deployment, wrap the final prompt with input sanitation and a clear stop token. Troubleshooting tip: if Gemini hallucinate facts, immediately simplify the task and add concrete, verifiable examples to anchor responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.